Check out this Ram 2019 4500 Chassis Cab Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include quick order package to your tradesman included, engine 6.7L i6 Cummins turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed auto Eisen AS69 RCHD halogen quad headlamps, dorsal scuff pads, glove box, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, map, courtesy lamp, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, rear dome lamp, exterior mirrors with heating element, matte black grille, upper lower appliques, mirror, running lights, black exterior mirrors, black wheel flares, overhead console, overhead cup holder lamp, power black trailer tow mirrors, bright white clear coat, park view, rear backup camera included, rear view auto dim mirror with display, black tubular side steps, electrical accessory group included, voltage monitoring, auto idle up system, trailer brake control, 220 amp alternator, transmission, 6-speed auto.